Taurus Medical would like to introduce you to the Taurus Screening Colonoscopy System. Why use the Taurus Screening Colonoscopy System? First of all, it is significantly less expensive than traditional colonoscopy. It takes less of a doctor's valuable time since the procedure may be carried out by a medical technician or a nurse. Since no sedation is needed, the patient can leave immediately after the procedure, freeing up valuable bed space. Secondly, it is safer for the patient since it avoids the risks of sedation. Since the Taurus screening device is soft and pliable, it significantly reduces the risk of a perforated colon, which occurs in about one procedure in 1,000 for traditional, rigid colonoscopy systems. Preparation for the procedure is much less unpleasant for the patient, ensuring much increased compliance and, therefore, better rates of detection. Thirdly, the Taurus screening colonoscopy system automates the cleansing procedure, so there is no need for the patient to drink large quantities of fluid in preparation for the test, much reducing the diarrhea which can make a colonoscopy a very unpleasant experience. Reducing the discomfort and unpleasantness of the entire experience ensures better compliance with the procedure both now and in the future. The Taurus screening device has three parts: a speculum, appliance sleeve, and an endoscopic capsule. The speculum sits just inside the anus and has a retention cuff which is filled with water to keep the device in place and to prevent fecal matter from leaking out. The appliance sleeve enables simultaneous introduction and evacuation of fluids. It is connected to a water supply, then inserted through the speculum into the colon. The water flow extends the sleeve so that, when it is fully extended, it reaches deep into the colon. Continuing water flow then exits the sleeve into the depth of the colon and flows through the colon in the natural direction from the cecum toward the anus, enabling safe, efficient, and gentle cleansing of the colon. A drainage channel in the pliant sleeve allows the water, fecal matter, and irrigation fluids to flow from the patient directly into a sewer or other disposal device. After cleansing is complete, an endoscopic capsule that contains a camera is gently inserted through the sleeve until it positions itself within the end of the sleeve with only the camera lens outside the sleeve. From outside the patient, the sleeve is gently pulled backward and the attached camera moves slowly from the depth of the colon to the anus, transmitting pictures of the inside of the colon to a receiver outside the patient's body, thereby providing a full screening of the colon. If no pathology is found, the patient is released. No traditional colonoscopy is needed, and as no sedation was needed, the patient is ready for release. If a pathology is found and a traditional colonoscopy is needed, it can be done immediately. All of the patient preparation is complete. This is a real video of a colonoscopy performed with the Taurus screening device. The camera was a pill cam supplied by Given Imaging. The white near the upper edge of the picture is the edge of the sleeve. In this accelerated video, it can be seen that the surface of the colon is clean, which is an indication that the cleaning process was successful. Furthermore, observation of the surface gives the gastroenterologist sufficient data to decide if a pathology exists. If no pathology exists, as in this case, then the patient is free to leave immediately after the examination. If, on the other hand, a pathology is found, a traditional colonoscopy, perhaps accompanied by a biopsy, may be carried out immediately since all preparation has already been completed. Studies show that, in more than 60% of cases, there will be no need for a traditional colonoscopy.